I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious caramel chocolate. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need about 1 cup of granulated sugar, 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter, half a cup of heavy cream, and 8 ounces of high-quality chocolate. Using chocolate with at least 60% cocoa solids will ensure a rich, deep flavor. Having everything measured and ready before you start is key for a smooth process. Now let's create the luscious caramel. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1/4 cup of water. Cook over medium heat without stirring until it turns a deep amber. Then, slowly and carefully whisk in 6 tablespoons of warm, unsalted butter and half a cup of warm, heavy cream. Continue stirring until the mixture is smooth and reaches 240 degrees Fahrenheit on a candy thermometer, which is the softball stage. With your caramel ready, it's time to introduce the chocolate. Gently melt 8 ounces of your high-quality chocolate using a double boiler or microwave in 30-second intervals, stirring well each time. Once the chocolate is smooth and fully melted, slowly pour the warm caramel into it. Stir continuously and thoroughly until the caramel and chocolate are perfectly combined, creating a rich, glossy, and uniform mixture. This step is crucial for a consistent texture. Finally, let's prepare your caramel chocolate for enjoyment. Pour the warm, combined mixture into an 8 by 8 inch pan lined with parchment paper, smoothing the top evenly. Let it cool completely at room temperature for at least 4 hours, or until firm. Once set, lift it from the pan using the parchment and cut into squares or your preferred shapes. Store your delicious homemade caramel chocolates in an airtight container for up to 2 weeks. Enjoy your sweet creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.